Hello and welcome to IrajStarTv, the channel where you get the latest news and updates from around the world. I'm your host, Shakil, and today we have a tragic story to share with you. A man has died in a fire at a house in West Yorkshire, England. The blaze broke out at the property on Finch Street in Bradford just before 5:30 GMT on Saturday, December 2, 2023. A man, a woman and a child managed to escape the flames, but a second man who was trapped inside the house could not be saved. The survivors were taken to hospital for treatment to their injuries, which were not thought to be life-threatening. However, the second man who was brought out of the house by firefighters and who was treated by paramedics died at the scene, according to police. Officers said they were working with fire service investigators to establish the cause of the blaze, which was not believed to be suspicious. The identity of the deceased man has not been released yet, and the police are appealing for any witnesses or anyone with information to come forward. This is a devastating incident that has claimed a life and left 3 others injured. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family and friends of the victims, and we hope they can find some comfort and support in this difficult time. Thank you for watching IrajStarTv. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more news and updates. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more content. See you next time and stay safe.